Motivation isn't magic, it's quantum engineering. While others chase fleeting dopamine, the Stoics built perpetual engines. Master these 7 habits. 1. Collapse morning ambiguity. Win your first 5 minutes. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "When you arise, tell yourself, I control my launch sequence." 2. Premeditated momentum. Visualize obstacles before acting. Seneca. The prepared mind converts barriers into energy. 3. Atomic action rule. When resistance hits, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Collapse hesitation. Your amygdala can't override motion. 4. Energy alchemy. Convert procrastination to physical motion. 10 push-ups reboot neural pathways. Musonius Rufus proved this. 5. Probabilistic progress. Track 1% daily gains, not goals. Epictetus. The path is the destination. 6. The Stoic Surrender. When stuck, what would my future self do now? Temporal self-quantum entanglement. 7. Void-Replenish Cycles. Rest is fuel. 17-minute naps reset focus. Cato. Empty vessels make no conquests. True motivation isn't felt. It's engineered through quantum Stoic rituals. Drop momentum if you're building an unstoppable engine.